This here is a Stanley Pour Over set. Let's see what it comes with because Daddy needs a coffee. All right, so we have directions, the user guide, care and use. This here looks like the pour over itself. And we have this really cool metal cup with lid and a manual inside it too. Just perfect. Now the directions say to use regular ground, not fine ground. Now we're not using a campfire today for the water. We're just going to use my regular kettle, which I just boiled. I filled it up to the one line, and I'm just going to let it sit, I guess, for a minute. Now, something to keep in mind is you don't have to always use this as a combo. You can also just take this and use it with a regular mug because it has this ridge around it here that will sit on most coffee cups. I think this is ready to go. I'm going to enjoy it. A little splash of milk. Yes, our milk comes in bags. I know, it's weird. Spill resistant, nice and safe. And that's it. We can pretend we're outside, but it's crappy outside, so. Just as good as being outside, except warmer.